Make your own financial security a priority and fund it first. The last items on your priority list will not get funded. It's a small attitude shift that makes a big difference. Put money from your paycheck into your credit card debt or retirement savings, and then use the rest for rent, bills, and then entertainment. You will likely find that to do this, you need to cut out a little more of your spending than you expected. That's normal. The idea is to look at what that healthy spending number actually is and work with what you have. It may send you back to your priority list again. You may decide that to actually fund your savings at a good level, you need your expenses to be even lower. Perhaps this means that you ask for a raise. Perhaps it means you move to a lower cost area or shop around for a cheaper cell phone plan. Discovering that you've been living beyond your means and making adjustments can feel very hard, but don't get down on yourself. Addressing it is a huge accomplishment. Be proud of those first big steps.